Hello everyone, it's Nicholas from GroovePagesTraining.com and also GFunnelsAsia.com. If it's your first time with me, then welcome, and for everybody else, welcome back. Well, what a day we've had. There is a special launch on WhatDroid, and as you can see here, we've created a page for the customers at Groove Pages Training and GFunnels Asia only. Now, there is a video on this page and I would highly recommend you watch it. But I know some people are going to have issues clicking on links in Facebook. So what we've done on the Facebook posts is we've provided you with the link there that you can copy and paste into a web browser, and I'd highly recommend you copy and paste it into a web browser. Simply put, is that Facebook puts a bunch of gibberish on the end of the links and stops them from working correctly. Well, you can see here all of the information about what this product will do, and trust me when I say it increases access to people very, very, very quickly. So take a look at all of the information on this page. But what I wanted to do is get right to the bottom here, and what I've done is, if you buy through me today, I'm going to throw in a couple of extra bonuses here, one being the YouTube video tags finder. Now this is hugely powerful for finding relevant tags that people are looking for, not just on YouTube though. You can use those same tags in other products as well, so other posts on Facebook and or in blogs and so on and so forth. There's Tube Chimp as well. It's a video keyword research tool, so you can harvest the best relevant keywords that are available that you can use in your videos. There's Quick Tube Checker. This is another video program to optimize your video in a matter of minutes to help you get them ranked faster. Don't say we don't use these programs ourselves. Shh, we don't want to tell everyone, but we're telling you. Okay, there's also Video Joiner, so you can join and cut up videos and put them together very quickly using Video Joiner, and of course Video Box as well. It gives you the conversion tools you need so that you can transfer videos that you make into the correct sizes for the different social media sites. So you're not spending hours, or in some cases days, trying to change the size of videos for different social media. So if you get WhatDroid through this link down the bottom here, or in fact any link on this page, what you're going to find is when you click on it, it's going to take you straight through and should bring you down to this section on the page where you can find out about the prices and all of the information and what you get. But just bear in mind that if the video is playing when you get to this page, just scroll back up to the top of the page and stop the video. And in fact, I'd highly recommend you do that on the previous page. After watching it, just pause it or stop it before you go through and click on any of the instant download buttons. Alright, that's it from me in this video. Highly recommend you get this. There's not long to go to claim your bonus, so get onto it fast.